This is a mango. Juicy, vibrant, and sweet. It's one of the most widely loved fruits in the world. But today, we're not just here to enjoy it. We're here to look closer, much closer. Welcome to Up Close, where the everyday becomes extraordinary. We take a deeper look at the world around us, one tiny detail at a time. We start with the skin. At a glance, it's glossy and firm, offering the mango its bright green, yellow, or reddish hues depending on ripeness and variety. But under magnification, this protective outer shell becomes an intricate surface, covered in minute bumps and pores. These pores are called lenticels, and they allow the fruit to breathe. Through these tiny openings, oxygen and carbon dioxide move in and out, helping regulate internal processes long after the mango has left the tree. The skin isn't just a passive wrapper, it's alive with activity. It contains compounds like resins and urushiol, which are chemically similar to poison ivy and can cause skin irritation in some people. These compounds evolved to discourage insects and animals from damaging the fruit before it's ripe. Its waxy layer helps prevent water loss and shields the fruit from microbial invasion. Peeling it back, we reach the flesh, arguably the mango's most celebrated feature. It's rich in color, usually golden or orange, thanks to the presence of carotenoids, particularly beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Under the microscope, this flesh is composed of large parenchyma cells. These are the most abundant type of plant cell, thin-walled and soft. Their vacuoles are filled with sugary sap, which explains why the mango is so juicy. When ripe, the walls between these cells begin to soften and break down, giving the mango its melt-in-your-mouth texture. You may even notice strands of fiber running through the fruit. These fibers come from vascular bundles and cell walls and can be more prominent in certain mango varieties. They serve as the internal scaffolding and transport system of the fruit, moving water and nutrients while it grows. Now we arrive at the core, the seed. But what most of us casually call the pip is actually a woody husk, known as the endocarp. It's hard, fibrous, and often difficult to open without tools. This protective shell surrounds the actual seed, a flat, almond-like structure nestled inside. Its role is crucial, to carry the embryo and all the stored nutrients needed to begin a new mango tree's life. Under the microscope, the seed's tissues appear denser, more structured. Unlike the soft parenchyma of the flesh, here we find storage tissues packed with starches, proteins, and oils, food reserves that the seedling will rely on before it can photosynthesize. Mango seeds are recalcitrant, meaning they cannot withstand drying or freezing. This is nature's way of ensuring they germinate quickly and locally rather than traveling far and waiting months to sprout. But the mango story isn't just about plant biology. It's deeply rooted in human history. Mangoes are native to South Asia, particularly India and Myanmar, and have been cultivated for over 4,000 years. Ancient texts reference mango orchards, and the fruit has long been a symbol of prosperity and love. It was spread across the globe by traders and explorers. The name mango itself comes from the Tamil word mankai or mangai, introduced to the West by Portuguese sailors during the 15th century. Today, mangoes are grown in over 100 countries. They're the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. And in many cultures, mango leaves are used in rituals and decorations for weddings and festivals. The mango's wide appeal isn't just due to its taste, it's tied to deep cultural roots, traditions, and symbolism. From a botanical perspective, the mango is classified as a drupe, a fruit with a single large seed encased in hard tissue, much like a peach or cherry. Its wild ancestors were smaller, less sweet, and more fibrous. Through centuries of cultivation and selective breeding, humans shaped the mango into the plump, juicy fruit we know today. Even within modern varieties, there's enormous diversity. Some mangoes are rich and syrupy, others firm and tart. Some are nearly fiberless, while others have stringy flesh. The balance of sugars, acids, and aromas makes mangoes one of the most chemically complex fruits in the world. Compounds like myrcene and lactones contribute to their distinctive tropical fragrance. And all of this aroma, color, flavor, texture emerges from a fruit that evolved as a simple seed delivery system. Nature made it appealing so animals would eat it and carry its seed. We just happen to benefit from its delicious design. So next time you bite into a mango, think about everything packed inside. A tropical origin, thousands of years of history, intricate microscopic structures, and the potential for life. From the skin that protects, to the flesh that nourishes, to the seed that dreams of a tree, the mango is more than just fruit. It's a masterpiece, grown, engineered, and refined by both evolution and human hands, all waiting to be discovered if you take a look up close. And that's it for our deep dive into the mango. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope you found something new, strange, or just plain satisfying. If you did, consider giving this video a like, maybe even subscribing. It really helps this project grow. Got an idea for what we should look at next? Or just want to say hi? Drop a comment below. See you in the next one.